Currently I'm in the F-150 Lightning, and this is a Lariat with the BlueCruise. So the BlueCruise is a semi-autonomous option. It will steer for you, brake for you, accelerate, and maintain safe speeds, as well as keep you in the lane. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and activate the cruise control on my left cluster on the steering wheel. I'm going to activate it, which you'll see in the right cluster there. I'm going ahead and set it at 40 right now. And what will happen is the BlueCruise, if it can read the lines in the lane, it will activate and keep you steering. So right now the vehicle is steering. I always want to keep my hand on the wheel, but it's essentially semi-autonomous at this point. So if you see my hands right now, all you need to do is keep one hand on the vehicle, preferably two, but just a light touch, just to make sure that if something were to occur, you can maintain control. If I take my hands off the wheel, the vehicle will sense there's no resistance, still maintaining the driving abilities, but it will alert me after a certain amount of time, as you can see, to get my hands back on the wheel. Yeah, so every time it shows that put your hands on the wheel, all I do is I just take my finger and I go like this, and it turns it off. Part of the autonomous feature, semi-autonomous, is the ability to control your gap difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and put us a little bit closer, and I'm gonna raise the speed up from 42 to 50 where the speed limit is. Now this vehicle is gonna give us, I have it set at 1, so it's gonna be about a 1/1000 difference. And we'll get a little closer, and it'll mimic this vehicle in front of us. There we go. So we're locked in, the vehicle is steering, it's gassing, it will brake for us as well. And the vehicle in front of us is going about 48. So if he were to get out of the way, he or she, we would go up to 50 miles an hour where I set. And we're at basically the closest you can get as far as mirroring it.
Okay.
But you can go, like I can hit it. There's 3. See if you do 4. If you do the longest, people will always go in front of you, like if you're on the freeway.
Okay.
So you always kind of want to keep it at like a 2. Yeah, picture going, 80 miles an hour, and the vehicle will maintain speeds and stay in the lane and stop. It's pretty impressive. As you can see, there's also a speed limit sign in the cluster, so it updates as you drive. The vehicle will let you know what the speed limit that's posted should be. So it also helps you maintain a safer, accurate speed.
And that's how the BlueCruise works. For more information, stop at Sorens.com.